Welcome to today's podcast. I'm so excited to have you here with me. Seriously, it means a lot. Today, we're diving into something a little too real. Learning English without losing your mind. Yep, learn English effortlessly. Sounds like magic, right? But don't worry. No Harry Potter spells here. Just real talk and good vibes. Okay, let me ask you something. Have you ever tried to speak English and your brain just goes, system error. Please try again later. Yeah, me too. You know, sometimes you know the word, but it just disappears, like a ghost. Like, poof, gone. You're sitting there like, I swear I studied this last night. Where did it go? But hey, you're not alone. Learning English is like going to the gym, but for your mouth and your brain. And guess what? It doesn't have to be boring or stressful. Let me tell you a secret. The best way to learn English is not by killing yourself with grammar books all day. Nope. It's by living with English. Like listening to podcasts like this. You're already doing that. High five. Watching funny videos. Singing in the shower. And maybe, just maybe, talking to yourself in the mirror like a crazy person. Seriously, though, the trick is, don't try too hard. When you relax and enjoy the process, your brain starts to trust you. And boom, you start remembering things better. So here's today's challenge for you. After this podcast, try to say just one sentence in English. Even if it's simple like, I love learning English. Say it out loud. Smile when you say it. Fake it till you make it, baby. All right? That's it for today, my friend. Thanks for hanging out with me. Remember, English is not your enemy. It's your new best friend. Keep it fun, keep it light, and don't give up. You got this. Catch you in the next episode. Stay awesome and stay learning.